Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unboxing for you. Now, this came to me from ArtBusy, and you can see the box has been through it. Now this it comes in a bag, like covering. But yeah, I took the bag off because, it's got my shipping info and everything on it. But this is how the box looked. This is how the bag looked. I knew that it was smashed. I don't know what it is with the post office and the shipping companies, with whoever it is, but every time this is what it looks like. Now, there is nothing on these boxes. They are just black box. So, let's get into this, and hopefully the canvas is not messed up. So, with ArtBusy, they have got free shipping worldwide. So really the only thing that you pay for is your canvas, and you make the rules, because you can get your canvas as big as you want, as small as you want. You can get the canvas, and that is everything in there. You can get the canvas with square ABs, or excuse me, square drills, full round drills. You can get with ABs, with fairy dust, with both. It's totally up to you. So here are the drills, and this is pre-packaged. It does have a toolkit with it, which consists of a clear single placer pen. It does have, looks like a 2 or 3 placer. Has a pair of the metal bent in tweezers. That little thing there just supposed to go on the tweezers. Comes with the thing of wax and a white tray with a spoon. Now you can see that that's just a piece of fuzz. The back is made of that very soft velvety material, and it is scalloped to keep it from fraying. These look marvelous. Alright, so the image that I got was this one. And let me just pull this back a little bit. I do apologize for any glare or shadows. It is storming here today, so I'm having to turn my lights on mid-afternoon. Alright, so it really looks good. I was kind of worried when I picked this one at this size, because you can see this is a 40 by 45 round. It does have the ABs in it, and there is the logo, ArtBusy, with a little black and white cat face. Does have a thumbnail and a schematic, legend, key code, whatever y'all want to call these, over here on the top right. Again, it's over here on the bottom left. This has 35 colors. Oh, wow. And it looks like we have 4 ABs. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's going to be several. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 special drills. But anyway, I was worried that this was not going to come out very well with it just being, you know, 40 by 45. But it looks really, really good. And it is cute as a button. Now, this was from an artist. What was their name? Okay, it is Diamond PIU-art. Now, I don't know how to pronounce all that. So, but I will leave a link to this canvas in my description box. I've also got a 10% off code that you can use, which will be in my description box. So let's look at the drills. I'm excited to start this one. Now, I did just finish the one that I had been working on, of the zombie picnic, I think is what it was called, which I'll do a video of that in a couple days. So this does come with an inventory sheet, which I do like that. But it has the thumbnail, and then of course it has instructions and how to diamond paint. There's their logo. It has the canvas number showing that it is an AB. It's a 40 by 45 and round. Here is a list of all the colors. There's 35 colors. And it is numbers, letters, and then just a few symbols with a couple of lowercase letters. And then this right here just tells you the weight. And it has the DMC numbers. So there's your inventory sheet. So right off the top, I am seeing here is 3078 AB, and they look really good. You may not be able to see real good with the lighting, but they do look good. So there's one, and I love these colors. Look at that. That is really a pretty mix of colors. That is gorgeous. Okay, so this is, I guess they call fairy dust. I don't know. I'm going to use the word fairy dust. I know each company does something different, calls them something different, but I don't know. They're all the same thing. So here is 3325XC, which is their code for fairy dust. But that is gorgeous. Some greens. Okay, so here's 37.99 XC, which is the fairy glitter, sparkly, whatever. I don't know. Okay, these are both XCs. This one is 3810, and this one is 3827. Here's another AB, which is 712. I hope y'all can see the sparkle, because I can see it. They look really, really, really nice. And then here's 798. Look. Here's 907. Now you don't know, there's 5200. You have no idea how many ABs or fairy dust or anything that's going to come with your kit. If you pick one, pick a kit that has the specials. You don't know how many it's going to be or what colors it's going to be, but you're guaranteed at least two specials per kit if it calls for an AB. You know, if you, now you don't have to get the ABs. And all the ABs are resin. Any of the special drills that you get, they're going to be resin drills, to where their regular drills are acrylic, which I don't mind either one. You know, as long as they're not a lot of trash, divots, pop holes, whatever. It don't matter to me as long as the drills are good. So yeah, so that's a lot of specials for this little girl. But she's going to be so, so, so pretty. So you know the ABs are probably all going to be... Let me bring y'all down some. That way I can sit down. Ooh. Kills my back hovering over these kits on my desk doing these videos. But you know, let's see. Yeah. So there's a Y. So that's going to be a 5200. They're just going to be sprinkled in the birds, the butterfly. That is such a pretty bird. The flowers. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Very clear. And this one does not seem... Look, the very first kit that I got from ArtBusy, I loved the image. I absolutely loved the image. But when I started working on it, that's why it has took me so long to complete it, is because it was so confetti heavy. And I don't mean a little confetti, because I don't mind confetti. I like confetti more than I like color blocking. But that kit, it is a lot of confetti, and I'll get into more of that when I do a completion video. But this one is really cute, and I am really impressed with how it turned out, being that it was just a 40 by 45. Very nice. Okay, well, I appreciate y'all watching the video, and thank you again to ArtBusy for allowing me to review their products. I think I've got another one or two on the way, but I think I'm gonna start her soon. I don't know when, but soon, because I love this image. This is so, so precious. So, alright. Anyway, make sure you check the description box, where I'm going to leave a link to her and to, well, the coupon, the 10% off code that you can use so that you get a discount. Alright, well, anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.